Hello, my name's Alex. I'm a member of the research team.
Your people want to do a great job.
My name is Samantha Wetherall, Sam. I'm a lead researcher.
But every team has its challenges.
Would you excuse me? I must get on.
As a manager, what do you do?
I've had a difficult few months, particularly with Sam.
Do you have the confidence to intervene?
Should be good. I'm not expecting any surprises.
Introducing a year in a day of performance conversations. This one-day interactive training workshop helps managers have effective performance conversations all year round.
Well, my problem is you sent me this month's statistics in the wrong format again.
You'll learn how to spot and deal with issues early on, and practice skills and approaches to deal with performance issues.
And I'm a little bit anxious, to be honest.
Across the day, you'll interact with fictional team members.
We have a new manager, Charlie. We haven't met yet, so we'll see how that turns out.
And come away with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to hold effective performance conversations.
Well, that went a lot better than I expected.
Well, I wasn't quite expecting that.
A year in a day of performance conversations. For effective performance conversations. All year round. A year in a day of performance conversations. One day interactive training workshop for managers. 3C, specialists in performance management. For an overview or to discuss tailoring this workshop for you, please call 01491 411 544.